Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and preparing the phone. Backup contacts and media, then enable developer options so you have access. Once done, go directly to Settings, Apps, and choose Show System to reveal Android Setup or Setup Wizard. You need to stop it from running. Tap the app, then force stop and disable or uninstall updates if available. This prevents the notification from reappearing while you continue with deeper cleanup steps. Next, clear the app's stored data so any stuck state is removed. Open storage for the setup app and choose Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Then uninstall updates to revert it to a stock state. After uninstalling updates, disable the app to stop future runs. Make sure to restrict background activity using battery settings or app battery saver so it cannot auto-start. These steps remove persistent triggers and explain why the notification stops. The service is stopped, reset, and prevented from restarting. If the app cannot be disabled from settings, use ADB from a PC. Enable USB debugging, connect, then run the package disable or uninstall command to remove the setup app. Once done, reboot the phone and sign into your accounts to confirm the notification is gone. If it reappears, boot to safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts and only consider a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: keep backups and try re-enabling, then uninstalling updates before resetting to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.